The Apparel Effects engine have some new updates. I just wanted to walk you through it. All right, so welcome to the Apparel Effects engine. This is the software that allows you to stop copy and pasting prompts, man, to get premium effect. Everything all built in. We have over 100 plus presets over here onto the left side. And then on the right side is where you build. We have a few new buttons here, a few new features that I wanted to share with you. The first one that I'm excited for is going to be the type tool. Click on the type tool. This is a tool I've been wanting to bring in for a long time. All right, so we finally got it. Let's just type in the tool right here. Let's say we want to type in Apparel. You know what? I'm going to put this in all caps. Apparel effect. Can't spell right now. Engine. All right. So you got your text. You can change the color of that text if you wanted to. Let's say we'll go with this. Change the color however you want, okay? And you have fonts here. You can choose from one of these fonts. I'm just going to choose a basic one for the sake of this video. We'll go with that or this. I like this. All right, and you can also add an outline color here if you wanted to. Let's say I want my outline to be white. I can increase the outline and decrease the outline. Line spacing will be the top and bottom here. All right, so when you're done here, just hit that. Now you got your text tool inside of the engine. Okay, so from right here now, you just use the engine like you would do anything else, right? So we have some brand new presets over here, and we're just going to go ahead and try one. Let's do this battle worn camo applique. When I click my preset on the right side, on the left side, on the right side now, I can make some adjustment. To be honest, the only thing I do here most of the time, I just go ahead and generate and see what we get. Okay, and why it's doing that, there are some previews colors down here. So if I click on the gray, this is just preview only. This would not download or export. So you can see your design better by changing these colors down here. Okay, so bam, there we go. Now we have our effect in on this. Let's zoom in and have that camo mixed in with the color of the text that you actually selected. Okay, so just like that, we can go ahead and download that, or we can just do another one. Okay, there. Let's go for the currency collage. We have different types here. Let's just go with one of these dense. Let's do ultra dense, and let's go ahead and select. I'm gonna change my background not to white. Maybe we'll go with this black. And like that, you have your text all built out with the effect in there. I'm telling you, this is amazing. And you can now go ahead and just download this if you wanted to. Just come right down here, download that, and it's going to download onto your computer without the background. To be safe, you just turn off the background there and download that, and you can see it's preparing print. And just like that, we have our print that is downloaded. And here's our download file right here. Clean, transparent image, ready for print. Let's jump back in. So we have that. And then there's a bunch other presets here that we have going on. The other part that is amazing that I did not get to share with you guys, I'm going to create a new image here. One thing that's amazing is this text to image. The text to image gives you one of the best results. So I'm just going to talk to this using Whisper Flow. I want you to create an image of, I'm gonna start over. Create a t-shirt design for the World Cup representing Argentina, Messi, right? Make it vibrant, make it bold, make it stand out, make it amazing. Okay, so that's my prompt. I'm not gonna do nothing crazy. And you have quantity here based on time. I'm just gonna go there and we're gonna generate. All right, so now the AI in the back end is going to generate an image that's going to be amazing. I did say World Cup, so I'm not sure if it's going to actually make that, even with Messi, but we'll see what we get. No way. It actually created it. Yo, that's crazy. So I'm going to just say use artwork right here. Bam. So now we have our artwork from just simple prompt that we brought in. AI created for us. We can resize this. I'm going to zoom out a bit. I can resize this right here by clicking right on this pencil, and we can change this. Let's say a 10-inch design, 10.5. Let's do 10.5 by 11. And now this is our design. This is cool, yo. Like, this is great. All I can do right now is just download this. I'm going to download this without the preset because that's a dope design that I might just want to use, okay? Look how amazing and vibrant this look. Like, look how detailed and real this came out. This is great. This is great. Right? I already downloaded, but I'm going to take it one step further and add some preset to this. I don't know which preset I want to use, but I'm going to come to, let's use one of these new ones down here. Let's say the, I don't know, rugged applique. I don't know. Let's go with the rugged applique and let's generate that. This is by far the best AI generator that I've gotten. You probably won't even be able to generate this outside of the engine to really get like the professional celebrity type of images without any guardrails. Okay, so we have the rugged applique look right here. Okay, you can see the background's got like this applique type of look. We can turn that off and do another effect. I'm going to go with the terry cloth, and I'm going to generate that. Okay, so here's your terry cloth effect right there. All right, but for me, I like the popping. I like to see my effect, right? So those you can't really see it like that. So I'm going to do something crazy. We have this new cloud one. Let's try out the cloud. Okay, let's try out the cloud. I'm gonna keep it on basics and see what we get with the cloud. Okay, so this is what we get for a cloud on the first run. It's a little creepy, right? Not every design will work with everything, but that's pretty, interesting that you can get something like that. One of my favorite effects is the metallic vinyl puff. So let's run that. And let's generate. All right, so everybody likes the 3D glitter puff right here. So just run that 3D glitter puff. Let's do some heavy glitter here. Standard, I'm gonna go high on this. Okay, so here's your glitter. Nice. All right, some of them don't work great with like actual images, but if you bring some other design, let's change up the design real quick. All right, so to change the design or to upload design, I'm going to come up to new image, choose a size. So you got any of these sizes you can choose. I usually go with the 12 by 12, but you can come in here and add your own custom size if you wanted to. So I'm going to create there. All right, so then I'm going to hit the upload design. On the upload design here, let's say I go with this one, okay? I'm going to go with this design. You can see this design comes in and it's kind of big. So I'm going to resize it. Instead of 13 inches, I'm going to make this to be 11 inches so it can fit within my 12 by 12, right? And then I'm going to do a preset on this. Let's go with I'm going to do the glitter puff on this one just to see what we get. Standard glitter. Yep, let's run it. All right, so now we have our glitter. Let's turn on the background here so we can really see. All right, so we got our background turned on, and now we can see that glitter puffing. Ooh, this is great, right? Like, look at that. It's like you can literally touch it and feel that glitter popping on there. All right, so this is right here with the Apparel effects engine. Link will be down in the description, of course, to just jump in on the Apparel effect engine. Let's do another one. It's a lot of interesting effects here under the new ones or even the ones, the OG ones. There's so many options. Sometimes I don't even know which way to go. But let's go with the liquid chrome. Let's go with the liquid chrome. Yo, that liquid chrome, y'all. Like, look at that on the black tee, on that black background. Looks amazing. Put this on a silver background, still look good. On the white background, yeah, I think I like it better on the black background. All right, so there's a lot of presets in here, man. We're adding more all of the time. I'm going to show you one more. We're going to do the balloon. Okay, we're going to do the balloon effect. Let's do the balloon effect right here. Foil balloon. I'm going to do the foil balloon. You got foil and you got soft. I'm going to keep it as that. I'm just going to run this by the default right now. Again, the Apparel effects engine link will be down below if you want to jump in on this. Right now, it is a one-time payment. By the time of this video, it's lifetime payment, lifetime access, right? One-time payment. But if you find this one a subscription, it's probably super valuable. All right, here goes our balloon. Yo. All right, so just go ahead, man. Catch your link down below. In the next video, I'm going to talk about the gang sheet builder on how you can build your own gang sheet right here inside of this. All right, catch you in the next video.